Hello, welcome to Glow with Gladys. Today we are having a head wrap tutorial with our lycra fabric. You can call it lycra, you can use lycra, you can use jersey, you can use any fabric of your choice to make these easy head wrap tutorials. So I'm having 108 in length, 108 in length fabric, lycra fabric, then by 30 in width, 30 inches in width. In length 108 by 30 in length. Then you now fold out a 40 inches out to make a crochet. So let us have our crochet. For you to make your crochet, fold your fabric into two like this, placing the short side in front, then twist it from within, from inside this way, and pick. So we have one, you pick the second one, that's two, just two crochet, it's okay. And here is our crochet is ready. So after that, you now take the other end, long end, take the long end of the fabric, the longer end of the fabric, fold it into two. This is going to be our head wrap, so you wrap up your head very tightly and neatly too, tightly and neatly, okay, tucking in the short end, then bringing out the crochet side. This is the crochet side. You bring it out and take and arrange it, then bring it round your head like so, taking it round like so, then bringing out the crochet side, okay. Then we apply the jersey side. So now twist the end, twist it, twist the end, and then take it round. You can see, take it round, twist it again, and take it round, and tuck it in. Tuck it in, and our head wrap is ready. You can adjust or place the twist anywhere, anyhow it suits you. You can see it's ready. So anyhow you would like to place the twist, you place it anyhow it suits you, so long as you are okay with it. And we are done with this tutorial. You can see it's very easy and very beautiful and gorgeous. So I'll see you in my next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe, comment and let me know what tutorial you want me to do next. Thanks for watching. Bye.